Technical traders have been telling us to watch for the S&P to hold 3,900 because it's important. Let's bring in Michele Schneider, Director of Trading Education at the MarketGauge Group. Good to see you there, Mish. And forget 3,900. The S&P crossed 4,000 on Monday. What are you watching now?
Actually, we in the ebook I had wrote for the beginning of the year, How to Grow Your Wealth in 2023, there's an interesting trading range that has developed on the monthly chart. And if you look at the SPY, you have a declining 23-month moving average that comes in around 4,200. Just like you have an 80-month moving average that comes in 1,000 points lower at 3,200. So if you really want to look at the year, that would be sort of the max range, give or take, that we'd be looking at. So here we are approaching the top end. So the big question right now is, should the market be this happy? Can it continue? And what would actually spark the ability for the market to take out these ranges? And of course, I think the answer always gets back to the Fed and what the Fed is going to do from here, and then inflation numbers, of which both I think are a little bit overly optimistic in terms of a cooling inflation, and B, I don't think the Fed has really indicated anything in the way of pivot. It's just a matter of 25 basis points or 50 for the next meeting.
What are you trading, Mish?
Well, we have a lot of different stocks in different areas in terms of just like looking at growth stocks. We still have some good pharma, actually Netflix, and we held into the earnings. We just took a slight profit there. And I have stocks like T-Tech Software and Floor Construction. So we're a little bit nervous about adding much on these nosebleed rallies right here, except if we see any correction in commodities, which we did see a little bit of a correction in oil. We got into that. Gold, we're still holding. Silver has come off a little bit. We're thinking about going there. We still want to keep a very good concentration in the commodities because almost regardless of what happens, it seems like it'll be inflationary.
Thank you. We wish you a great rest of your trading week.
Okay, thank you. You too, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.